Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is us traveling and everything that we ate while we were on vacation. So this is day one. We are vibing. I put Tyler on to some of my songs and we are just vibing. First meal, as you saw, was Starbucks, and we are heading to the boardwalk. We are here. Welcome to Wildwood, New Jersey. This is just such a cool, quick spot for any type of vacation. There is so much you can get done here, so much to see, so much to visit, so much to shop. But our first stop was the boardwalk. We enjoy the food at the boardwalk, then we head home because it was my in-laws' anniversary and we went out to eat too. So you see, we have our curly, our limeade. They got Subway, not Subway sandwiches. I got my clam chowder. Then in the evening, as I mentioned, we went out and I got tacos. Disclosure, I did not gain any weight on this trip because for some reason I was eating healthy. After that, then we went out for a little walk so that they can enjoy views and take pictures for their anniversary. The next day we got up and of course it was beach day. We had pictures in 3 days, so Tyler and his sister had to get their tanning done. So it was off to the beach. I stopped, Tyler found this place and we stopped there for a drink. I don't think they like me too much, but the drink was good. And we're at the beach enjoying ourselves, doing beach stuff. We quickly had like a quick wing meal at Mud Hen because we were going on a boat ride and the boat was beautiful. We had like sandwiches and pizza on that boat, but sandwich and pizza. I'm kidding. I just didn't remember to video it. But anyways, we went on a boat tour, so we had this quick at Mud Hen and it was good. Definitely we'll be back to Mud Hen. And this is something that again, there's so much to do there, and this is something that we always like to do, just like take a hour or two and just like enjoy their dolphin ride, and it was amazing. Jaden even got to drive the boat. He was a what do you call it? Oh my god. He was a person that drive boat. So that was fun. Look at him go. Woo! Go Jay. He go Jay. Ooh.
Oh, Jaden! Oh, Pappy's taking from the front. Look at Pappy out there taking.
So this was day 3. This is picture day. So everyone was getting their tanning in. Look at Tyler, it's like a tanning competition. Anyways, we after that we head to the beach to get our pictures taken. After beach, we went for dinner. This was at the boathouse. This was my second favorite meal of the week. It was wonderful. We had a good time. In the morning, I think this was Thursday morning, we went for breakfast and decided that we were going to go to the zoo. The zoo is was like a 3 out of 10. Not that it was a bad place, but every time we go to the zoo, it's always hot and exhausting. Even if we go on a cool day, it's hot. If we go on a like windy day, it's hot. I don't know, something about the zoo. But this is me hyping up Tyler because we know what was ahead of us. Jaden being spoiled by his pappy, didn't want to walk, just wanted to be comfortable at all time, wanted to stay in his stroller and have fan blowing on him while we burn up. And I'm like, kid, you're the reason why we're at the zoo, get out. So that's why his pappy was bringing him. And these are some animals that we saw. But after the zoo, we went back to the boardwalk because this was boardwalk day. So we went back to the boardwalk and we had some Sam's pizza. This was our meal for the day. We had Sam's pizza and again curly fries. You definitely need to try Sam's pizza. This place we always see it but never tried, and we tried it and it did not disappoint. It was good. That funnel cake slapped. I should have had someone to share it with, but it was so good. And we did some rides in the night, trying to get some boardwalk activity done. The next day, we went to the boardwalk again and we played some games, tried to win the eagle that you see up there. We won a small eagle, but it was still all fun and we played as much games as we could. In that night, we went to our favorite restaurant, Men's, and that food never ever disappoint. Like that's my salmon and mash over there. That's Tyler Parmesan, and we like Tyler finishes Parmesan. His dad did not. It was so good. This place never disappoint. In the morning, we did my running as I mentioned in my last video. I ran, they did their biking, and we had cheesesteak and it was a wrap. It was so good. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.